Before we get into today's video, guys, please make sure to go ahead and smash that red subscribe button and also ring that bell icon to stay up to date with all my amazing Minecraft videos. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth Mark. And in today's video, I'm going to be heading to the absolutely amazing, miraculous Ladybug dimension. That's right, guys. I'm going to be heading to the absolutely amazing, awesome, and epic Miraculous Ladybug dimension. And I just hope when I make it inside this dimension, I get to meet up with Ladybug and she lets me become her sidekick, because I would love to be her sidekick and go around and beat up all the bad guys and kick their butts. But you know what I wouldn't like? Is if I went to go kick a bad guy right in the butt, and then he farted on me, farted right in my face, just like ripped loose, and turned me into a fart face. I would be really upset, guys. I would be so mad if that happened. I would have to take a shower immediately, guys. I would have to run home, and I would have to take a shower, because I would not want to walk around with a stinky fart face, guys. There's no way I would want to do it. What you guys are going to need to head to this dimension is you're going to need 20 red wool. You want to go ahead and place 5 of these on the ground, just like that, right there, guys. Then you're going to need fur black wool. You want to go ahead and place 1 of these on each side of your red wool, just like that. Right there, guys. After you have successfully done that, now you can just go ahead, run, and jump on up, grab your red wool, and place 5 of these on this side, with 1 black wool right on top, smack dab right on top. Now you can go ahead and just jump on down, son of a llama. Wow, those are actually really nice llamas. I wonder if he would be willing to sell me one. If I had the money, guys, I would definitely buy one of those llamas. But now you just want to go ahead and you want to place 5 red wool on this side, and then 5 red wool smack dab right in the middle, and then 1 right on the edge. Now you can go ahead, run, and jump on down and take a look at this absolutely amazing, beautiful, epic frame you have just created. Now you just want to go ahead, whip out your flint and steel, and light this baby up. Boom! Wow, don't that look amazing? That looks so amazing. That should definitely make you guys want to scroll down and smash that red subscribe button. Wow, that really does look amazing, guys. But now it's time to head into the Ladybug dimension. This is going to be so amazing, guys, especially if she makes me her sidekick. Oh my god, guys. I knew this dimension was going to be amazing, but I did not think it was going to have an Eiffel Tower in it, guys. Wow. I am blown away right now, guys. I'm blown away by how big it is, by the shape of it. I'm just blown away, guys, overall. What do you think, Cal? Are you amazed by this? I think he is. I think he is, guys. But wow, that thing is absolutely humongous. I wonder where Ladybug is. You know what, guys? I bet she's at the top of it. I bet she is. You know what? I gotta find out, guys. I gotta find out. I cannot believe this, guys. This is absolutely amazing. This is so amazing. Oh my god, what is this? Don't tell me, guys. Don't tell me. Ladybug set up all of this just to see me? Oh my god, I cannot believe this. Oh, I think she likes me, guys. I think she really likes me. She set up a candle light dinner for me. Wow, guys. I can't believe this. And look at her. She can't take her eyes off of me. Well, I mean, nobody can really take their eyes off of me because I do have really great buns. That's why nobody can take their eyes off of me. Look at her. Oh, look at her. She's looking. She's looking. She's liking what she's seeing. Oh, she's coming over here, guys. Wow, I cannot believe this. You don't mind if I have some cake, do you? She didn't mind, guys. She did not mind. She's probably going to break up with me after this. Do you love me? Do you want to go on another date with me? I think she does, guys. I think she does. You know what? I got somebody that I want you to meet. And I think you know who it is. My pet pig. What do you think about him? Do you love him? No, you only love me? Oh, she doesn't mean that. She doesn't mean that. I'm so sorry, pig. It's just not going to work out. You're just going to have to leave. What? You going to wait for me to leave and then try to take my woman? Oh, no, you ain't. Get out of here, pig. Get out of here. I'll talk with you later. No, don't run after him. He needs to learn this lesson the hard way. Yeah, just let him learn this lesson the hard way. You do not try to take other people's women. You know what? I'll find you a woman, and she will be the best woman you've ever laid your eyes on. Oh, she'll be the nicest piece of bacon you've ever seen in your life. So crispy, so greasy, so delicious. You won't be able to take your pig eyes off of her. That's what I thought. That's what I thought. But wow, I cannot believe she set all this up for me, guys. Wow, this is amazing. Wow, I really do love you. I really do love you now. Wow, she really knows. She really knows me, guys. She really knows me. I'm going to take some of this chicken. Wow. What a woman. What a woman. I cannot believe that I am actually on a date with Ladybug. This is the best day of my life. This is the best day of my life. But you know what, Ladybug? I'm going to head to the top of this thing. That's what I'm going to do. If I don't come down in like an hour, come up and get me. Because I'm probably stuck. But let's go ahead and let's do this, guys. Wow, guys. This is going to be so amazing. This is going to be really amazing unless I fall off. If I fall off, I'm going to be so upset, guys. I'm going to be so upset. Wow, guys. There's no turning back now. There's no turning back now, guys. Oh my God. We are so far up, guys, that it is making me dizzy just to look down. Oh my God, guys. If I fall off of this, I'm going to look like a pancake. Wow, hopefully I don't fall off, guys. Let's go ahead and let's see what's inside this chest. Oh my God, guys. Just what I needed. Wow, guys. We're going to be able to fly now. We're going to be able to fly now. Let's go ahead and let's do this thing, guys. Oh my God. I'm flying around the Eiffel Tower, guys. I cannot believe this. Oh my God, I hit into the Eiffel Tower. Wow. This is amazing. This really is the greatest day of my life, guys. Wow. I got a beautiful woman inside the Eiffel Tower waiting on me. I'm flying outside the Eiffel Tower. How could this get any better, guys? How could this get any better? I cannot believe this. I did not think I would be doing this today, guys. Let's go ahead and let's go back in. Oh, she was watching me the whole time, guys. She was actually watching me the whole time. Wow. Wow, I cannot believe this. I cannot believe this. I did not think I was actually going to get a woman by coming into this dimension. Wow, this is crazy. This is crazy. Is there something happening between you two? Do you guys want to tell me anything? No, they don't. They don't. I know he's gonna try to steal her from me. I know he is. I see it in his eyes. Look at his eyes, guys. He got that look in his eyes. He might look like a gentle pig, but he's an evil pig. Trust me, guys. Trust me. You guys don't have to go to sleep with him. If you went to sleep with him, you would know what I'm talking about. He tries to steal the cover every night, don't you, pig? Don't you? Stop looking at her. Stop checking her out. What are you doing? That's my woman. Back off. I'm going to get you a woman. Trust me, I'm going to get you a woman. But first, I got to eat all this cake. I got to eat all the cake. Oh my God, did she just see that? No. No, please don't leave me. I can't be single again. I won't know what to do. Oh my God, I think it's over. I think it's over. Oh, now she's dating my pig. Really? Really? You're going to dump me for the first piece of bacon that comes along? Wow. You know what? I don't need this. I don't need this. I got my wings. I can fly. I don't need this, guys. You know what? I'm just going to fly away. I'm just going to fly away, guys, if I can. I can get out of here. Oh my God. This is way harder than it looks, guys. Trust me. Oh no. Oh, I thought I had it, guys. It's so hard to take off from the ground. I don't even know if it's possible. Let me go ahead. Let me go ahead and get up on this. Oh, I had it. Oh my God. Are you kidding me? Wow, guys. Wow, I really suck at flying. There we go, guys. There we go. Now we're taking off. Oh my God, that was so hard. That's the hardest thing I've ever done in my life, other than leave Ladybug behind. But, you know, she just found a new piece of bacon, and she no longer wants me. Maybe I can win back over her heart if I get her like a diamond ring or a diamond pickaxe. You know what? That's actually a good idea. I'm going to go get her a diamond pickaxe. But if you guys did enjoy this video, which I know you guys did, please make sure to like, comment, and most importantly, smash that red subscribe button. And until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.